If you've ever had that just sinking feeling of being overwhelmed by exams, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're going to move way beyond those generic study tips. We are going to build a powerful, repeatable system that turns AI into your personal academic superpower.
So let's be real, this is a story we all know. On one side, you've got studying harder. Oh yeah, we've all been there. It's the late-night cram sessions, the inevitable burnout, and just those frustratingly inconsistent results. But on the other side, that's the goal, right? Studying smarter. This is all about consistency, actually learning things deeply, and doing it all with way less stress. So what is the real difference between these two paths? I'll tell you, it's not just about who tries the hardest or who waits for motivation to strike. The secret, the thing that truly separates the top students from everyone else, is having a system. Okay, let's dive into our first huge idea here. Systems beat motivation. Look, motivation is fickle, right? It's there one day, totally gone the next. A system, though, a system shows up for you every single time. We're going to build one that makes consistency your brand new superpower. So, what in the world is an AI study system? Think of it like this. It's your own personalized, repeatable routine that uses artificial intelligence to build really high-quality study habits. The goal isn't just to cram for one test, it's to improve your long-term memory of the information. It's a whole framework, not just some random tool. And the payoff for doing this is immediate. Seriously, we're not talking about some abstract idea. A good system saves you a ton of time. It dramatically cuts down on that pre-exam stress, and this is the most important part. It helps you actually remember what you've learned. Okay, let's get practical. How do we actually build this thing? We're going to train an AI, like ChatGPT, to become your perfect, personalized tutor. We're going to do it with 3 incredibly powerful prompts. So the very first step is all about practice. This plugs right into a really powerful learning idea called active recall. That's just forcing your brain to pull out information instead of just passively reading it over and over. With the right prompt, you can turn your AI into an unlimited factory for realistic practice tests on any topic whenever you want.
And here is the exact prompt to do it. See how specific that language is? Act as an exam examiner, match university exam difficulty. You're giving the AI a very clear role to play. But the real key here is consistency. You've got to use this weekly to build up your knowledge, not just save it for the night before the final exam.
Okay, so you took the practice test, and you got some answers wrong. Guess what? This is where the real learning starts. Instead of getting frustrated, your system is built to turn every single mistake into a powerful teaching moment. It's all about metacognition, basically thinking about your own thinking. Now this prompt, this is the absolute crucial point of the entire process. It doesn't just ask for the right answer. No, it asks the AI to break it down step by step and, most importantly, to diagnose where your thinking went off the rails. This is how you find and fix those foundational misunderstandings. You know how it is. We all have those 1 or 2 topics that just seem to trip us up every single time. Well, the last piece of our training puzzle is all about using AI to systematically hunt down those weak spots and turn them into strengths through what's called deliberate practice. With this simple little follow-up, you're closing the loop. You're basically telling your AI, okay, you've found my weakness. Now, help me drill down on it until it's not a weakness anymore. And you just repeat this until you feel totally and completely confident. So, we've got our individual tools, right? Practice tests, mistake analysis, and targeting our weaknesses. Now let's put them all together into one single master prompt that will be the engine for our entire study system. This right here, this is the heart of your whole system. You're going to save this one prompt and use it to kick off every single study session. It sets the rules of the game for how the AI interacts with you. It becomes a coach, not just an answer machine. So what does this actually look like in practice, day to day? It's a simple 4-step loop. You review your notes, you do some AI-generated practice questions, you analyze every single mistake with AI feedback, and then you update your list of weak areas. That's it. This whole cycle might only take you 60 to 90 minutes, but because you're consistently hitting those weak spots, the results are going to compound like crazy over time. This whole system is designed to do so much more than just get you through one exam season. It's a framework you can build on for life, transforming you from a student who's just focused on passing to a scholar who's focused on actually learning. Now, we need some ground rules to make this work. It's super important. Always try to answer on your own first. Always double-check the AI's information. It's not perfect. And please, never just copy and paste without understanding.
This is not about letting the machine think for you. It's about using the machine to help you think better. Remember, the AI is a tool that supports your discipline. It doesn't replace it. And let's be perfectly clear about something. This system, it's not a shortcut. It is not about trying to avoid the work of studying. It's about making that work more effective, more efficient, and ultimately just a much smarter path forward.
And the real beauty of building a system like this is how adaptable it is. This exact same framework will carry you way beyond graduation. You can use it to master new courses in college, to learn a complex new skill for your job, or even to prepare for those big certification exams. Your AI assistant literally evolves right alongside you.
So there you have it, the complete blueprint. You've got the prompts, the workflow, and the mindset to stop studying harder and finally start studying smarter. Your AI study assistant is ready to go. The only question left is, what are you going to master first?